The Canvas Learning Management System includes a student demo mode that is very easy to use. But first, we need to publish content that we have previously developed for the course. To do so, we need to enter the course. As we can see by the circle slash icon, the Week 1 module is not currently published. And to publish this, we simply click this icon. And you notice that it turns green with the check mark inside. And also note that the underlying associated content with the Week 1 module is automatically published as well. Now that we've published our content, we want to enter the demo student mode to conduct a quality check of the course. This will allow us to view the content from the learner's perspective and ensure it appears as we intend it to. Canvas makes this very easy with a single click. Simply select the Student View button in the upper right corner. And this places us into the learner's interface. And notice the bar at the bottom of the page, which clearly indicates that you are no longer in instructor or development mode. We can now check the content as the learner would see it to ensure that everything looks the way we want it to. So we look at the content that we created for Week 1, and yes, it looks the way that we planned it to. And once we are satisfied that the course has been set up correctly, we simply click on the Leave Student View button at the lower right corner to return to instructor mode. Again, Canvas makes switching to and from a student demo mode incredibly easy.